These tips will help you enjoy your visit to the fullest. Timing is important, especially if you want to watch the animals being fed. Use the information above to find out feeding times and plan the rest of your visit around that. The aquarium is a little harder to navigate than you might expect. Blame that on the fact that it's a former fish canning factory. Take a few minutes to study the maps and don't hesitate to ask questions if you feel lost or can't find something. Download their free app to learn more about the animals, plan your visit and even find some images to share with your friends. It also includes a map to help you get around. You might miss it in the fine print, but if you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary or honeymoon, stop by the information desk. Each store inside the aquarium has a theme. If you see something you like, either make a note of its location or buy it on the spot. If you want to eat while you're there, get all the details about dining at the aquarium. The restaurant has ocean views but can require a long wait. The cafe also serves very tasty dishes that are served quickly so that you can get back to the exhibits without too much delay.